Good morning, students. Today I'm here with a new video in which I'll teach you about the logic gates. As we have all discussed about the expression that are coming in Boolean logic, now we'll understand how these gates are put in the circuit. There are three types of basic gates in Boolean logic. Number one is AND gate, then OR gate, and then NOT gate. First is the AND gate. The symbol of AND gate is like this. If we have two values x and y and we have to pass this through AND gate. So this is called an AND gate and you will get the answer. We all know that expression for AND gate will be what? X multiply y. So you will be getting what here? X dot y. Okay, we have already done with the truth table. If we'll just write the truth table of AND, then what is the truth table that we are getting with this circuit? 0 0 0 1. Then if this is the circuit, until or unless दोनों input 1 नहीं होंगे, we will not get the final output as 1. Similar for OR gate, where we have to do x plus y. We'll take two inputs and the symbol for the OR gate is this. This represents x plus y. Okay, truth table you all know how to make. When we say NOT gate, NOT is just a complement which we say like this, x dash और x dash दोनों में दोनों ठीक है, दोनों तरीके से हम इसको represent करते हैं. So if we are having one input only x and we are passing it through an inverter gate, so we'll be getting the output x dash. So these are the three basic gates of the Boolean logic. Now we will learn how expression is being converted into circuit diagram or with the help of logic gates. Okay. For example, first logic gate that we have to make is of x plus y dash z. How we'll make x plus y dash z? See this. First of all, we have to see how many inputs we are having. We are having x, we are having y, we are having z. So we'll make three inputs, x, y, z. Then first of all, जैसे हम expressions में करते हैं with the help of BODMAS, we'll just take the shortest thing, that is complement. So we'll make one z complement, y complement, because we require y complement. Then we need to multiply this y complement with z, so we'll put an AND gate and then we'll be getting what? Y dash plus z. Now what y dash plus z जो हमें मिला है यहाँ पे, that we have to add with x. So we'll bring a wire from x and we'll just put them through the OR gate and finally we will get this expression. If this expression is equals to f, we'll get this expression, x plus y dash z. Similarly, you have to make this like this. One more example I'm showing you here. X plus y into y. This is y, okay? Y plus z dash. So again, we have three inputs, x, y, z. Okay? Then first of all, we have to do x plus y. So we'll take them through the OR gate. So we'll get this x plus y here. Okay? Then another is y plus z dash. So we'll take a y from here, we'll take a z dash from here, we'll join both of them with the OR gate so that we get y plus z dash. Now we have to multiply them. Dot लगा है बीच में, so we'll take both the gates, we'll pass them through the AND gate and then we'll get the final expression that we require, x plus y dot y plus z dash. Okay, any confusion till here? One more I'll show you to remove your all confusions. Now this is the last one that we'll be showing how to do this. Again we'll be taking the three input, x, y, z. We'll be putting x dash y. So let's take, this is x dash, this is y. We multiply both the gates, we are getting x dash y. Then we have to go get y in y z. So we'll take y, we'll take z, we'll put them to the AND gate. So we are getting here yz. Now what is left is x and z dash. So how to take x now? So we'll start from here without overlapping. We can write like this, और आप straight भी draw कर सकते हैं, that would not go wrong. So we have got here, this is what, this is our x. We need a z dash. We'll just go from here, we'll put an inverter. We have got z dash and gate. अब तीनों input आ गए हमारे पास. Now you have two ways to join them. Either you take all three and put only one OR gate, और इन दोनों का और करिए, फिर जो आंसर आया वो उसके साथ और कीजिए. बोथ द वेज आर करेक्ट. लेट्स सपोज अगर मैं ऐसे करती हूँ, सी आई हैव टेकन वन OR gate over here, then whatever output is coming I am putting it through another OR gate, so I'll get the final expression. पर इसकी जगह मैं थ्री इनपुट वाला भी OR gate लगा सकती थी. So this is the logic gates conversion. Okay, practice them, try them, and till then thank you.